Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along Bob Chino, checking in Bitcoin. Bitcoin finally got above this 9163 level, spiking up to our next cluster, or 92, what would we say, 92.33 to about 92.38 right in here, backing down, finding key support back at this 9,080 to 9,100 level, then moving up, finally reaching our 92.82 and getting a little separation now in the rotation zone. So let me take off these levels right now. All right, so right now it's sitting at the first level support. If we do break down, the next major area we'll be watching is 9,200. Just happens to be 9,200. This little, a lot of these wicks in here, the bodies are about 91.90. And that's slightly in the rotation zone. So that's the next level of support. The final level is 91.62. If we do break below 91.62, we're back in this range again, couldn't sustain the breakout. On a rotation back up above the spike high, 93.35, 9400, 94.65 are all the key 4-hour levels. Switching over to the daily chart, you can see spiking up. We had a little separation in the rotation zone. We're not paying that much attention to it just because we've been in consolidation. It just started getting some separation because we started breaking down into a slightly new trading range. We're going to see, though, it really has to work its way above this 93.35 to get any rally back on, and then it's back into this higher congestion area. That's really it. There's nothing else more to talk about. If it does break below 91.62, watch for 9,000, and then if it broke below that, I'd start watching for the most recent spike lows. Over to Ethereum. Ethereum 4-hour. Let's see here, holding, spiking through our 229.50 level, backing back down, and now coming up, closing at a 231.12 level. That means we can update. It looks like we're getting a pausing bar here. Hopefully, if not, you're going to have to adjust this on your own charts. But that gives us a little range. Let's see, about 93.44 to 234.44 to 235.01, and then above that 237.17. Keep in mind, we popped out of this consolidation. Now we've worked back into this prior area, and this little prior major resistance, this 234.44, is still major resistance, so pay attention if we do get up there. Support now, we're just going to probably be watching about this 228 level. That's right in the middle of the rotation zone, right in here, and this prior resistance becoming support area. If we did get a close below about 227.30, then I'd start watching for 225, and if we got below there, about 222.50. Let's take a look at that daily chart in Ethereum. Keep the big picture in mind. And there's nothing. We're back into this one trading range, and even if we get above this, there's just so much area to chew through. Now, at least it finally got below. This was resistance. You see here, pausing there. Now it's through that resistance, so that's the major support level. So we're going to have to watch. That's really the key level to watch to make sure it doesn't close below about 227. Again, if it does, we'll start watching this break higher did not hold. So if you on Ethereum and Bitcoin, we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.